All right, let's try using the Kreg shims. Now I'm going to be using the 3/32 shims because I want the smallest gap or space all the way around my drawer front. Now let's see if they're small enough and they're going to work for my drawer front. All right, taking a step back and looking at it, I can tell you it's bigger than what I want. However, using them was really great. Now, I'm not a professional cabinet maker by any means, and I believe probably this is a standard, space that you normally would do in cabinets. However, if you're wanting to have something smaller and you want to be able to micro adjust in a smaller gap or space for your drawer front, the Kreg shims aren't going to work for you because there's only 4 sizes. And there's the 3/32, there's the 1/8, there's the 1/4, and then the 3/4. So unfortunately, I would say if you are wanting to do something a little bit more fine-tuned, these spacers don't allow for that. Now let's take a look and see what the playing cards offer and how that compares and the benefits or the cons to using those. I have my deck of playing cards right here, and I'm going to use them as spacers for my drawer front. I think I'm going to count out 6 cards and see how it looks and make adjustments from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's go ahead and put them in. Lift this up. Slide that. Stack them. They're slippery little guys. And then stack them. All right. That's looking pretty good. Let me add 6 to the top to see if the gap is too tight or too loose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to run it all the way across and see if it's tight anywhere. Okay, fits in. That's really nice. I can tell already, and by looking at it, it looks pretty even. Okay, it's getting a little tight here, which that might mean I'm not perfectly square or something's off a little bit, because I can't really move it any further. Let's drop this card from 6 to 5. Ah, that's smooth and nice. Okay. All right, now let's put in a space 6 cards on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We'll go here. There you go. Yeah, that looks great. That looks great. So, here's what I've learned. Using a deck of playing cards allows you to get the fine-tuning that you might need in your build. Now, as you noticed, I used six playing cards, and as I got to this end, it got too tight. So I just removed 1 card, and I went down to 5. And I can see it didn't really affect visually, but when I slide that deck, it can go all the way across. And I'm looking at the bottom here, and it looks great. So I really like how you can fine-tune that placement and that space of that drawer front using playing cards. You simply can't do it with these shims because they just don't go any smaller than 3/32. That's a real bummer. So I think my recommendation is, unless you're using a standard drawer front size and spacing, if you are doing that, go with the Kreg shims. They'll work great for you. But if you have anywhere along that project got something out of alignment, I mean, I'm talking a playing card thin, it's too tight. You won't be able to micro adjust that with your shim. You're going to have to use a different type of shim to do that. And I think, to be honest with you, I would recommend using a deck of playing cards over the Kreg shims just for that reason. Also, it'll save you $15 because a deck of playing cards is a couple dollars these days. Now with inflation, it might be more. I don't know. I think it's like $4. Much cheaper. So I would highly recommend using a deck of playing cards to shim your drawer fronts. I hope you found this video helpful. And also, if you guys have any other types of shims that you use other than playing cards, and there's something else out there that you say, this is amazing, it's helped me out, I would love to know about it. Post in the comments below. I would love to hear from you and share that with everyone. All right, guys. Well, if you found this helpful, smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video. See you later, guys. I don't know.